Yeah, I think we're going to take the brown Edsel out here for a drive. Probably the car wash is probably what it really needs. Take a look here. Yeah, she's dirty, but that's all right. Wait for a nice drive. Okay, here we go. Kind of starts right up. Back and forth, make sure. I haven't driven this in a while, so I'm going to back it up now and then. Pump the brakes, make sure everything. Yeah, they seem to be working. So I've got brakes. There we go. Take it down this back road. Do a little testing with it. Oh yeah, shifts, all doing good. cleaned off here. What a difference. Try. Yeah, looks pretty nice. All right. Looks good. Yeah. Yep, it's quite the boat to motor around, manual steering, but not like driving classical cars. Oh. Better fire up the vacuum wiper motor again. Oh, that one wiper. Oh, I have to get that replaced. Well, at least it comes on. We're running good. Main street of my little town here. This is Wellington, Colorado. Oh. A little more wiper action. Turn signal still works. That's good. Brakes, yeah. Did these brakes probably, I don't know, 10 years ago. Just all drum brakes. You just got to lean on it a little bit, but they do the job. All right. See, I'll open it up here. Gosh, that's done. There you go. Upshift about 45, 50. Manual steering cars aren't too bad to turn as long as the thing isn't stopped. You can turn while it's moving, you're good. You're good to go. Oh. Bye bye. Good, man.
You mind if I take a picture of them inside?
Go ahead. Slip it on in here. Well, we got it safely back. All went well. The fluid's all check over, all still, everything's fine. Car ran great, just haven't had it out in a while. But today was the day. Cleaned up nice. It's kind of funny. The other hood I had for this car was all rusty, so I got a replacement hood for my parts stash and had my buddy paint just the hood, but not the fenders or the rest of the car. But that'd take too much. But I know it looks nice when you're driving it, looking over that shiny hood. But take a look around over here. See what else. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's a nice car. I like the Ranger two-door hardtops. All right. Well, everything checked out on that shakedown run to the car wash. Time to load up and put some more miles on her. Thanks for watching, everybody.